What is the real war about? Jerusalem, a sacred place for three religions. For Muslims, it is the first Qibla. For Christians, the birthplace of Jesus. For Jews, the Temple of Solomon. Let us start with Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. He had two sons, Ismail and Ishaq. Ishaq Pbuh was the father of Prophet Yaqub. This is where the story of Israel begins. Israel means servant of God. This title was given to Prophet Yaqub Pbuh. When Prophet Yusuf Pbuh became the ruling authority in Egypt, he was commanded to invite his entire family, that is the family of Yaqub, to Egypt. A specific part of Egyptian land was designated for them. God said, "O family of Yaqub, there are blessings for you in this land." Prophet Yusuf Pbuh had 12 brothers, so Allah bestowed upon them 12 springs. Hence, this land was named Israel after the title of Prophet Yaqub. It is also known as Jerusalem today. Around 70,000 prophets came from their lineage. The descendants of Prophet Yusuf's brother Judah were all called Jews. As time, the era of Prophet Moses Pbuh came. When Pharaoh oppressed them in Egypt, the Israelites had to leave with him. During this time, many of God's blessings were bestowed upon the Israelites, including manna and quail, abundant springs, and plentiful fish, all of which are also mentioned in the Holy Quran. There is also a mention of a cow, whose carcass, by God's command, brought a dead man back to life to identify his killer. The signs of this cow are stated in the Holy Quran. It was a reddish cow, and such cows are still considered sacred by Jews. After Prophet Moses Pbuh, more prophets came. The remnants of Prophet Moses Pbuh's era, including parts of Torah, manna, and quail, were stored by the Israelites in a box. This was a special box given by God to Prophet Adam, which was passed down through generations of prophets. It is referred to as the Ark of the Covenant in the Quran and is to the Jews than their own lives. When Prophet David defeated Goliath and seized the Ark, the Israelites accepted him as a prophet. Prophet David Pbuh then began the construction of a temple for the protection of this Ark, but he could not complete it during his lifetime. His son, Prophet Solomon Pbuh, completed it with the help of jinn, and during this period, he also passed away. This is the reason why